How to replace mulch. Mulch is material that is placed over garden soil. It can be organic, such as wood chips or grass clippings, or inorganic rocks or plastic. Mulch discourages weed growth, insulates the soil and keeps it moist. When to replace mulch in the garden depends a great deal upon the type of mulch and what you want to accomplish. Winter mulches should be removed in spring, after the danger of frost has passed, while summer and spring organic mulches are generally replaced annually. Many gardeners wait until after they prune to replace the mulch so that pruning cleanup and mulch replacement is combined into one task. Things you'll need: rake, trash container or bags, fertilizer. Rake back the old mulch. Place it in a bag or trash container and remove it from the garden. Apply fertilizer. This is the ideal time to fertilize the plant or add organic amendments to the soil around the plant. Pour fresh mulch onto the soil until you have a 3-inch layer. Spread the mulch from 6 inches away from the plant's main stem to 6 to 12 inches beyond the widest part of the plant.